Chapter 1 Rational Numbers. Today's topic is representation of rational numbers on the number line. So today we will see that how we can represent the different numbers on a number line. So first we will see representation of natural numbers on the number line. So for our natural numbers, we have numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and goes on. So the line extends infinitely only the right side of 1. It will not increase on the left side. Okay, it will not increase on the left side. The light will go infinitely towards the right side of 1. As I have told you in previous classes that natural number starts from 1 and goes up to infinite. Then next we will study about whole numbers. So now while representing whole numbers on a number line, we will start with the point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and goes on. Okay, so the line extends infinitely to the right side, but it starts from 0. In the case of natural number, it starts from 1, but in case of whole numbers, the line starts from 0. Okay, so we cannot increase the line on left hand side of 0. Then next we will study integers. So as we have discussed in our previous class, we have discussed that integers include negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. So in the middle we will write 0. On the left hand side we will write minus values, negative values, or we can say minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and goes on. And in the right hand side we will write positive values 1, 2, 3 and goes on. Okay, so the line in case of integers extends infinitely on both the sides. Okay, it will increase infinitely towards left hand side also, and it will increase infinitely towards right hand side also. Okay, but we cannot write or represent the point in between the numbers. If we have to represent any number between 0 and 1, so we cannot represent, or 0 or minus 1, we cannot represent in between these numbers. Okay, we can just represent, if we have to represent suppose minus 3, so we can represent this is minus 3 point A, this point is minus 3. Okay, now we will see representation of numbers which are rational numbers. So now rational numbers include positive numbers, negative numbers, 0 and fractions also. Okay, so that means we can write or represent numbers in between two given numbers. Let us take a number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, then 1, 2, 3. So as in the case of integers, we have studied that line can be extended towards right hand side and left hand side and right hand side infinitely. So this is the same case. We can also increase the lines in both the sides, and we can represent positive values and negative values and 0 also. But in this case, if we have to represent suppose any number that is in between the numbers, okay, if we have to represent suppose 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 we all know that is 0.5 in between 0 and 1. So we can represent the point A here as 1 by 2. This is a fraction, and we can represent this fraction by representing rational numbers on a number line. Okay, so in the same way we can represent 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 5. So 3 by 2 lies between 1 and 2. In the same way, we can represent these points in the negative values also. So suppose it is minus 3 by 2. So that will be minus 1 by 1.5 only. So it will be between minus 1 and minus 2. So point C will be minus 3 by